Welcome to this tutorial on Emory University's performance management process. This tutorial will show you how to complete a self-appraisal in the Bullseye engagement system. This performance management system is part of Emory University's talent management initiative from learning and organizational development. Talent management is the integration of 4 processes that support the talent of the university community, taking a holistic approach to performance management, learning management, talent planning, and career navigation. To learn more, please visit our website below or reach us at talent.management@emory.edu. In this video, you will learn how to write your self-appraisal, review your manager's appraisal of your performance, and complete the annual appraisal process. We'll also share some helpful tips that are new to the process beginning in 2024. We generally recommend using Chrome as your browser for the performance management process. Begin by logging into PeopleSoft from the Human Resources portal and selecting Self-Service Login. Once you've signed in, select the Talent Management tile to be taken to the Performance Management system. Next, you will see your profile page. This is your home page for the Bullseye system. You're now ready to complete your self-appraisal. From the menu on the left, select My Appraisal, make sure Self is highlighted, and click Appraise. This will take you to your self-appraisal form. Here, you'll be able to view the competencies, add documents, and enter comments demonstrating your performance in this cycle. You can follow the links in each competency for more information on the behavioral examples associated with those ratings. If you need help writing your appraisal, you can find a wide variety of helpful writing prompts in the lower left-hand corner. Just click on the Comments tab, select any applicable comments to add to your evaluation, and add to your clipboard. Copy and paste from the clipboard into the competency that you're working on. You can copy and paste as is or amend as needed. If you'd like to attach any documents to your appraisal, navigate to the lower left-hand corner, click Upload View Documents, and select a file. It's a good idea to hit Save Draft if you need to leave the page while you're writing and return to it later. To get a hard copy of your self-evaluation, click Get Report. From here, you can download a PDF copy to save to your computer or to print out. When you've completed your self-appraisal, you can select Submit to send your form to your manager. Select Yes when the pop-up appears to confirm that your form is ready to submit. From here, your manager will review your self-evaluation and complete their part of your assessment. You will receive an email from Bullseye letting you know when that's done. After your manager has completed their appraisal of your performance, you will be able to review your annual appraisal form. Your manager can either download the form and email it to you, or you can review your manager's comments and assessment of your performance in Bullseye. You will then have the opportunity to provide any comments or feedback on your annual performance appraisal form. You will be notified when your manager has completed your appraisal and your form is ready to view. You'll see these notifications here by the bell, as well as in an email from Bullseye. To review your manager's comments and assessment of your performance, click My Appraisal on your dashboard, select Feedback, and provide feedback. Here you'll be able to view your manager's appraisal and comments, including your average score for your ratings and ratings for each competency. You can also click on Comments to see any written feedback, and Required Comments to see comments for your overall score, as well as for any ratings of a 1, 2, or 5. Click Upload View Documents to see anything your manager may have attached. After meeting with your manager to discuss your appraisal, you'll have the opportunity to provide any comments or feedback of your own before acknowledging your forms. To do this, select Acknowledge, and a pop-up will appear asking if you want to provide comments. If you don't, select No to submit your form, and that will complete your appraisal process. If you do, select Yes. To write your own comments, select General Comments from the drop-down menu, and then type in your feedback. Or you can select from the comments library. Once you've entered your feedback, you can close and submit to your manager either by hitting Save and Close or Acknowledge and selecting No from the pop-up box. You'll see a message letting you know your form has been submitted to your manager.